We got an RV door lock upgrade for my Toyota motorhome. All the old RVs had the same key. From the 60s all the way up to the 70s to the 80s. They used the same key. One key could fit any RV. Camper door. Travel trailers. The sliding campers, they all had the same key. This Toyota motorhome come with a special key lock that they made, or they bought for it. Comes out like this. I had to take it out to take it to the locksmith to have a key made. You gotta drill a hole like that to get it to go in. Then it fits right in through here. The locksmith made a key for $15. He had to pick it. Kinda wish I would have looked on Amazon, because brand new on Amazon it's only $30 for the whole thing with 2 keys. The $15 will get me by for now. Now I don't want to go back in. But it fits through these holes. There it goes. Fits in like that. And then it screws, the back side goes on. You can't see it on the video. The back side fits on there. There's 2 screws right here that hold it in place. I can't believe I didn't look first on Amazon. $30 for the whole thing, brand new. It's nice and heavy too. I can't believe it's really made in China. You wouldn't think it was made in China. You'd think it was made in USA. It works good when you have the keys. He made me 2 keys, $15 to pick it, and I think the second key was $3. I wish I would have known it was only $30 on Amazon. I would have had a brand new, I would have ordered a brand new one. The key, the 2 locks, one of them different. He couldn't pick the other one for some reason. So only one will work. I'm not sure what the difference was. It had 2 different locks for security. I'll find out when I get it back on. I'd recommend anybody who has a motorhome or a travel trailer, sliding camper from the 60s, 70s, 80s, probably way back in the 50s too, to upgrade their locks, because anybody could get in. The other Toyota motorhome I had, the 86 Huntsman, somebody put a Schlag deadbolt on it. That was nice too. It was really secure. This lock goes on a 87 Sunland Express Toyota motorhome. 4-cylinder, 22RE, automatic transmission. I won the motorhome at the Salvation Army auction for $1,850. Had about $1,500 worth of solar put in. And about 5 years ago, the transmission was rebuilt for $2,000. I got the receipt. Somebody put a home mini split unit on the back. Makes it freezing cold. AC and heat both. I think I got a good deal. It's got 69,000 original miles. Runs and drives good. I'm filming in a Sony 4K HDR AX33 camcorder. Sony calls it a handy cam. It should come out real nice.